Okay, hello again. Here is Ilse again from the Netherlands. I want to do something different today. I will show you the colors, I will show you the technique, and I know the names today. Yay, I'm learning the names of the colors, I mean. And I want to do a swipe, and I want to do a swipe who looks like this, but I want to do another technique normally, and that one I did as everybody. Oh, I'm so sorry, my chair is bumping. Most of the time we do at one size here, side here the white or another color, and then we bring it on the whole canvas. And now I want to try to do it with this one and this one, and I want to check, because I hate it when a part of the painting is like this, and maybe there is another way, I don't know, but I wanted to try, so I will show you. Now it's important to know, normally when you have seen my other video, oh, I'm bumping again, my other video, and in that video I show you the white and I show you the colors, and that I put silicones in all my colors. But when I do this one, I don't. So there is only silicones in a little part of the white. Ooh, little hair of the cat again. Ew. And this I will use for this. Okay. So first I want to do just the normal white on the canvas. Then I will drop all the colors, and after that I will do the white with that little, I don't know how you call this one. Maybe you don't know it either. I really don't know the name in Dutch. Normally we use it when we go to school, but that's a long time ago, but I really don't know how to call it. So first I want to do the whites. Oh, I leave this somewhere else. There. I hope it's enough. Normally when I do the pourings, it's on a tile, and a tile is more yeah, flat, shiny, how you say that. And I think that a canvas takes more paint, so I have to take some more of the white paint when I do a canvas. You really profi, no? Okay. Look. And hear a strange noise at the back, and a strange noise at the background. It's my washing machine. I'm sorry. Maybe I have to go to there to stop him, and then he gets beep beep beep. Where's the other one? Ah, there's the peep already. So I'm sorry, I have to go. He's finished. Okay. I don't know. Look, I have to do this because he's the gas is he's empty of gas. Normally I don't do it inside. I go outside because I always see a lot of gas next to the thing. And I think, oh, I will burn everything down here. Okay, that's it. Oh, I need another one. So, now I will do the colors. This one, this is, I think, yeah, it's my favorite color of all the colors. It's the Prussian blue hue. He's from Winsor and Newton, and I really like this color. First I want to make a small one, and maybe when my new technique works I will do it on a bigger canvas, but I thought maybe it's better to try before I waste the big canvas. Plop. Voilà. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. This is the Phthalo blue. It's also a really nice color. And this is the bronze. And the Phthalo blue and the bronze, they are also of the... no, it's not. Wait. Oh! The Phthalo blue is of Winsor and Newton. But this one is from Amsterdam. I think it's enough. This is Mars. It's from Mars. From the planet. I hope it's not too thin. The nice thing of pouring is that it's always a surprise. Sometimes it's not a nice surprise that you think, oh, but I love this already. Oh, and this is also one of my favorites, is Dykbrown. And this one is also of Winsor and Newton. Okay, and there we have the experiment. Maybe it's really stupid what I'm doing, but we will try. And we can learn also when it's not working. This is not working. Why not? And there's just a big plop. No, I can use it for something else, I think, but this is not good. That was not a nice experiment. Okay, now then we do it the old way. I hope it's enough. This is just a plastic. Okay, what is... Look, the ones in the middle, I will show you. There, they are not nice. You see, they are not round. And then I am always asking, why? But look here on the right side, they're also not round. And I think it's the brown. And I think it's the brown because I think he's too watery. Look. Okay, I have to change him. So what we do with this one? What will I do? Okay. He is nice, but he's not great. But I always can learn of this one. So I think that's the look. The dark blue is okay, but there are a lot of strange cells. So, okay, this is for today. So you see a little bit, for me it's a little failure, but he's okay. Maybe he dries when he's dry. It's still a nice one, but I don't like this. But I don't want to go over it again. So when I stop the video, maybe I will change everything. I don't know. And then you see a whole different one. Now I stop. So maybe you don't. You haven't learned anything of it. Yeah, how you must not do this one. But okay, thank you for watching. If you watched him, and maybe I will come later with another one. Okay, bye bye.